Jess again, and welcome to Safety Checks, Safety Skills. When I was learning and first driving with my supervisor, one of the things I found took a bit of getting used to was the roundabout. I felt under pressure to get on and get off quickly, and at the start I wasn't sure of which lane I should be in. So today I've asked Brian to talk us through the best way to approach a roundabout and how to get through them as safely as possible.
Thanks, Jess. When you first see a roundabout, it can look confusing, but once you understand the basic rules to follow, you should be able to drive through and around them with confidence. First up, there are two types of roundabouts. There's single lane roundabouts, like this one, and there are multi-lane roundabouts like the one you see on the screen here. Whichever one you come across, you are always going to drive in a clockwise direction around the roundabout. You follow the road arrows and direction signs and drive within your marked lane, and use your indicator to show when you are going to leave the roundabout. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples of moving through a multi-lane roundabout. For a start, imagine you want to turn left. Here's what you do. To turn left, you should be in the left lane, and you should signal left before you enter the roundabout. You give way to vehicles already on the roundabout, and if there are arrows, you must follow those directions. Continue to indicate left as you exit, and then turn off your indicator. Now, what do you do when you want to drive straight ahead? You can approach the roundabout in the left or the right lane. Once again, if there are traffic lane arrows, you must follow those directions. You give way to vehicles already on the roundabout. After giving way, you drive on and then signal left to exit. Once you've left the roundabout though, remember to cancel your indicator. So what happens if you are making a right turn or a U-turn? The pattern is the same, except most importantly you need to enter the roundabout from the right-hand lane. You signal right before you enter. Remember to give way to vehicles already on the roundabout. Once you're on the roundabout, continue to signal right. If there are lane arrows, follow the direction of those arrows. You indicate left to exit the roundabout, but don't forget to cancel your indicator. One thing, always keep a lookout for bike and motorbike riders as they can be hard to see. So Jess, that's how you handle roundabouts.
Thank you, Brian.
That's a wrap.